so that people will have more time to come and visit the property one more time and compare the prices and projects leisurely in the air-conditioned atmosphere of the High-Techs. So the show is conducted in two halls, hall number 1 and 3, and with the participants are the important developers and as well as the suppliers. Epreda Property Show is unique in the sense that compared to all other property show, our stall rates are very less, and our stall size is also suitable for even small and medium developers to participate, and the small and medium suppliers and distributors to participate. So the main purpose of the Epreda Property Show is three-pronged. That is to provide a platform for the small and medium developers and suppliers, along with the high-end and big-size developers also. Apart from that, we want to see that the real estate market in Hyderabad grows. It should not stagnate forever. We have seen that the conditions of the market in Hyderabad were near stagnant as far as the prices are concerned. The real estate prices in Hyderabad, as per the National Housing Bank figures, surveys, is staying around the same prices as in 2007, whereas the prices have improved from 2 to 3 times, increased from 2 to 3 times in other important cities like Chennai, Bangalore and Mumbai, which are competing with us. So what we have to do is two things. One is to sustain employment and generate additional employment in and around Hyderabad and overall in Andhra Pradesh. Number one. Then only there will be opportunity for more and more projects to take off in Andhra Pradesh and particularly in Hyderabad. Number two, we also have to see that the existing employees in Hyderabad, they should not go away and purchase property in some other city. They should purchase within Hyderabad. Then only there will be encouragement for the developers and the projects will close faster and new projects will be launched. Number three, the climate, the political climate and other economic climate should settle down in Hyderabad particularly and overall in Andhra Pradesh also. We have seen Telangana area suffered due to hesitations earlier. Now we are seeing for the last almost 1.5 months, Andhra is also suffering due to hesitations. So these hesitations should be settled with an amicable solution to one and all, and then only we will be able to come on to the growth path again. We can bring back Andhra Pradesh on the growth path again. So our appeal to all the public is that you should participate in our property show in good numbers. Pick up your property from wide range of projects in and around Hyderabad and all over India, all over Andhra Pradesh. Also, we have participants from Vizag, Guntur, Vijayawada, etc. also, in addition to participants from Delhi, initial participants from Hyderabad also. In addition to this property show, we are also organizing a conference on moving ahead in real estate, innovative technologies and tax planning. Well, to encourage sales in real estate, one has to bring down the cost, and number two, one has to improve the quality of the product. So for improving the quality of product, we have to bring in new technologies. Recently, Epreda has sent a delegation of around 10 people along with another 50 people from all over India, and the delegation is led by Dr. Girija Vyas, Minister for Housing and Urban Poverty Elevation. So the 60-member delegation visited Dubai and Abu Dhabi and studies various projects and technologies there. In addition to that, we also study the rules and regulations there and tax structure there. When compared to this Dubai and Abu Dhabi, our tax structure is very high. Of course, we are good in one point, that is, there is no discrimination of wages for local or outside employees, whereas in Dubai, there is a high level of discrimination. The local people get higher wages and salaries compared to people coming from outside. So, of course, we are doing a social justice by offering equal salaries to one and all here. And we also study, when we compare the taxes are very high in Hyderabad, whereas the housing ministry over a period of time, throughout the 5-year plans, has been planning and saying that the taxation is very high. So hence it is required to bring down the registration charges to a uniform level. And they made it a stipulation in the JNRM programs also, unless the state government reduces the overall registration cost to 5%, around 5%, they will not be eligible to get the funds. So whereas the government is good in saying that, whereas our state government also followed to that to a large extent, though very late, the central government itself belied the hope of the real estate and housing industry by imposing the new service tax from the 2006 onwards. Even the VAT introduced by the value added tax introduced by the state government initially was only 4 rupees, was notional. Now they made it into 1.25%, and recently the department is issuing notices that only the sale date portion will be eligible for 1.25% VAT, whereas the construction and completion agreements will have to suffer 5% VAT or little more. So this is a very important disadvantage that is going to hit the industry. We are in consultation with the government to keep it as 1.2% on overall value of the sale consideration, and also rationalize the service tax structure as well. And one more very important thing in Andhra Pradesh is we are very high in charging conversion charges from agriculture to non-agriculture, whereas it is only around 35,000 to 55,000 per acre in neighboring Karnataka. We are charging 9% of the market value for conversion from agriculture to non-agriculture land. This is a very, very disadvantaged position for Andhra Pradesh. This is not going to attract any developers and builders, coupled with the unsettled political situation. If such taxes are continued, our industry is going to suffer. So we are going to discuss all these issues in the seminar and recommend to the central and state governments on various policy decisions to be taken to encourage and develop real estate industry in Andhra Pradesh particular and all over India. Thank you.